Hello my bold and beautiful friends. Today I'll be doing something quite different. I will take you on a step-by-step journey showing you how to set up your Spatial account on your PC so you can get immersed into the metaverse. Firstly, you need to go to your web browser, and I am using Google Chrome. Then you now type in spatial.io. Then you can now click on the first one that appears. Once the page loads up, you'll go into login. Then here you have several options. You have Google, MetaMask, Apple, and Microsoft. So you can use any one of these to log in. So I'll be using my MetaMask to log in. So once I click on that, I'll receive a MetaMask notification telling me to unlock my account using my password. Then I'll input my password. Then unlock. And that'll load up. Sign. Then we're good to go. Then now from here you can create a space, you can explore spaces, you can see trending spaces over here, popular spaces, live now, newest, recent, and your spaces. So from here I can choose to go into any one of the spaces. Let me go into one of the spaces I have created. Let me go into the B&B town. So now the town is still loading up. Take a few seconds depending on how strong your network is. So yeah, let's give it some time to load up. And so now we're in. So now you can go around, have fun, and interact with other people who you might find in the spaces. So that's just how to create an account and go into any space you want to on Spatial. So that's all for today. Thank you for following me this far. Hope to see you on my next video. Please like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Have a nice day.